everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. I have another update on the Navigator of the Seas. She pulled into Southampton today, this being early November 2018. She just finished a 10-day cruise, and for the last 3 days she was limping back to Southampton, and passengers have been complaining for 10 days about how this ship is rolling and is not sailing very smoothly. The ship just got into port, and the story is a last-minute cancellation of her next cruise, which was supposed to leave today, November the 5th, for the USA, a transatlantic crossing. The stabilizers are the problem. Look at them down there. They stick out of the side of the ship. These are huge, massive units that can be retracted when in port, then they bring them back out at sea. One of these has malfunctioned. We don't know the story in its entirety. They are massive units. They need cranes to be lifted and moved. We are told all kinds of stories. Minor technical problem. One of them snapped off. One of them hit debris in the ocean. We don't know. Cruise line won't confirm, won't tell. And so the Atlantic cruise, the transatlantic cruise, has been canceled at the last minute. 3,000 more passengers completely left in the dark at port, can't get on the ship. They've offered a refund, obviously, and they're going to give them a credit towards a future cruise. But that is little consolation for people who planned months for holiday time, air travel, holiday expenses, hotel expenses, only to find that with a day or two before the cruise, there is no cruise to be had. Cunard just left with a ship for the U.S. Weather is not a factor as far as Cunard is concerned, but Royal Caribbean says the reason they canceled the transatlantic cruise is a weather-related issue. I find that hard to believe. The ship could head south first down the coast of France and Spain and then make it across the Atlantic. Shouldn't have been a problem making it all the way to Miami. Anyway, we'll find out what's going on. I will stay on top of this story. Join me Monday to Friday, 5 o'clock Eastern, 2 o'clock Eastern time on Saturdays. We talk cruise ships every day, 6 days a week. I'll see you then, everybody. Bye for now.